Hi friends, today I'm showing you this floor lamp. This floor lamp is 70-inch long, comes with the remote and the touch screen or touch button. Comes in a really good packing, totally safe. So these are the parts. I'm just taking out all the parts so that I can show you the assembly. So this is the manual, that's very helpful. The LED panel. This LED panel can go 300 degrees up and down. This is the remote that can go like on and off with 3 color light settings. Comes with the battery. So low, mid and high, up and down for the brightness and changing the colors. Wow. So this is a heavy base that you have to connect so that it will be a steady floor lamp. AC adapter that you can connect to. So this base will go in this connection, and then you can just rotate or the twist one by one all these rods to get the proper height. Now this is a good thing that this have an internal connection that you can put its slot in it, and then the rod will cover, so there is no cutting or the on the cable or anything. It's pretty easy and straightforward assembly with a 300-degree rotation. I will just connect it to the electricity and then show you the panel. See, like the light, it's all bright light, it's a good warmth. This comes like in a 3000 to 5000K lights. So and the 3 settings, 3000, 4000 and 5000. They're like white, yellow and a mix of white and yellow. You can control and dim it. It's dimmable, so you can control the dim. You can also use the touch button here to use it with the 3 settings. So this is like the 3000K, 4000, 5000K light. There's a touch and the remote sensors. The 70-inch height with 300-degree rotation and a heavy base for a sturdy fit. This is how it looks when it's totally assembled. The long height and the warm fixture.